Alright, so this is Dragon Patrol. We're going to do a skit. And it's called the Airplane Disaster Skit. So, narrator, start.
Two